Hey guys, this is Chris from the Advanced Extraction Lab. Here we have an 8x40 insulated lab. First thing I want to show you guys is the exhaust fan. If you come around here, we have a sensor that will measure if there's any air volume in there for safety purposes. If there's a belt loose or broken, then the system will warn you with a beacon light to check your fan. Step inside. Here we have nice insulated walls. They're about 3 inches thick, and they're finished with a galvanized powder-coated sheet metal on top, and that keeps that non-combustible rating on the wall as well. You look at the floor, we have a nice epoxy finish, medical grade. We put a lot of grit in it for anti-slippage. The corners are finished with rubber base as well to give it that clean look. We'll start with the appliances. Here we have a 230 single phase explosion proof outlet, RKI M2A transmitter sensor. We have a strobe light. We have an emergency purge button. And then we have one more outlet on this guy on this side for 120 volts. Let me direct you to the top. We have explosion proof lighting. We have the fire suppression system built into it. And it's already sized for this width and length and height. Here we have our HEPA filtered air, auxiliary air. Here we have our air conditioning entrance. On this particular lab, we're gonna butt it up against 2 other labs. That's why you have these door openings here. That'll lead into another set of 2 containers. So the total footprint is gonna be 16 by 40 on one side and this 8 by 40 on the other side. So altogether 24 by 40 feet long. Here's your common area or C1D2 area with the controls. We have our panic door. We have our control panel built in-house. We have audible alarms. This is the alarm I was talking about for the air sensor. We have an amber alarm. This is our thermostat that measures the temperature in that room and this room. Lastly, over here we have our fire suppression system. The way we set it up like this is just for travel, but ideally when you get your lab on site, you're gonna have a local fire suppression company come and actuate the system and certify it. Alright guys, that's it for now. Check out our website at advancedextractionlabs.com or shoot us a DM.